ये है रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM। चलो बात करके देखते हैं।
Let's listen to Chronicles of the Past.
हाय दोस्तों, आप सुन रहे हैं रेडियो मानो 90.0 FM. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali, welcoming all of you to today's segment of Chronicles of the Past, where I bring for you facts and events of significance that have taken place on the same dates in history. Today is the 27th of July and the facts are as follows. Firstly, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, the renowned Indian scientist and former President of India, passed away on 27th July in the year 2015 in Shillong, Meghalaya. Known as the Missile Man of India for his pivotal role in India's missile and space programs, he was also celebrated for his vision for India's development, inspiring millions through his writings, lectures, and dedication to education and youth empowerment. Also on this day, in the year 1953, an armistice was signed to end the Korean War, bringing active fighting on the Korean peninsula to a halt. While the agreement stopped the bloodshed, it did not result in a formal peace treaty, and North and South Korea remain divided to this day, separated by the heavily fortified, demilitarized zone. And lastly, and on a happier note, on July 27th in the year 1940, Warner Brothers released the short animated A Wild Hare, marking the official debut of Bugs Bunny in his now famous form. While earlier cartoons had featured prototype versions of the character, this cartoon introduced the iconic personality and catchphrases that would make Bugs Bunny one of the most enduring and beloved figures in animation history. That's all, dear listeners, for today's segment of Chronicles of the Past. I'm your host and RJ Himanjali signing off. But before I go, I'd like to ask all of you to please conserve the water bodies around you and keep them neat and clean. I'll be back with more interesting facts and discussions. Till then, stay tuned to Radio Manu 90.0 FM. चलो बात करके देखते हैं.
आप सुन रहे थे Chronicles of the Past.